Have you ever wanted to write a mathematical equation naturally by hand in Microsoft Word? In this video, I will show you how to use the ink equation feature to quickly write and insert equations into your document. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of the Word window. Then, find the Symbols section and click on Equation. From the Equation menu, select Ink Equation. A new window will appear where you can write your equation using your mouse, touchpad, or a touchscreen. Now simply write your mathematical equation in the writing area. As you write, Microsoft Word will recognize your handwriting and convert it into a formatted mathematical equation. When you are satisfied with the result, click the Insert button. Your equation will now be added directly to your Word document. If you need to make changes, simply click on the equation you inserted. You will then see different mathematical symbols and equation structures that you can use to edit and customize your equation. You can also adjust the equation until it looks exactly the way you want.